Hi there, it's Lawrence from corporatewarrior.co. So I was having a conversation the other day with a successful high intensity training business owner. We were talking about how to generate referrals in your business. And one excellent way they found to do that is by hosting client parties. So this can be done in a variety of ways. You could identify your brand advocates, that's those clients of yours who are really champions of your business. They're always talking about you, sharing your stuff on social media, and bringing in referrals organically anyway. And you could identify those people and you could, let's say, host a party to celebrate their results and their progress, or celebrate their 5 or 10-year anniversary as a client with your business. You could also hold parties around seasonal holidays and public holidays, things like Christmas. You could also host a party in aid of a certain charity. Now, the most important thing to realize when you're doing this kind of thing is to ensure that you make the event not about your business, but about the community and about the theme, what it is you're celebrating. This is not about you, this is about the community, this is about giving back. And this is a really good long-term strategy to building more relationships and ultimately generating more referrals and leads for your high intensity training business. I was recently at the Resistance Exercise Conference earlier this year. When I say earlier, literally a week ago. And one of the common themes that came up again and again was the importance of building close relationships. You know, Diana Del Garbino from Muscles in Motion mentioned this in her rapid talk. Chaz, whose last name I can never pronounce, who is the assistant coach for the Minnesota Vikings, talked about relationships. So this came up in a number of contexts throughout the event, and it's just clear how important this is in building a successful business in high intensity training and really making an impact. So hopefully you found that helpful. Give that a go. Think about, sit down and brainstorm what kind of events or parties you could host in your high intensity training business to celebrate your clients or take advantage of a upcoming holiday or something similar that's coming up for you. I'm Lawrence Neal, and hopefully you found this useful, and I will speak to you soon.